Ew. Ew. Okay, so it's been a long time since I made another new video, and what I have here is a surprise. So if you checked out some of my previous video, I have unboxed a new laptop, and it only had 4 gigabytes of memory in it. So I got myself and bought a new 8 gigabyte Kingston RAM, and it didn't work for my brother's laptop. So I had checked the Kingston website and checked the model, and it worked. So I dissected my laptop, and it was a fun experience. I've got so many parts in here, so let's start with the most boring for me. Okay, I think it's this drive from, I don't know the company name. I think it's just a generic rewritable disk drive. Yeah, so it has a CD in it for my Ubuntu setup, and a normal 1 terabyte HDD from Toshiba, a battery, looks like a, I'm not gonna say it, and here's a fan of the laptop. I shouldn't do that, it'll break, but I think I'm like a kid. So, and last but not the least, the motherboard. Technically this is not the last but not the least. So motherboard with, so I was having a problem dissecting these because I don't have nails, and it hurts my hands so bad. And look, it's a keyboard. It's just a keyboard. It's just a keyboard and a mouse. Audio jack with a USB, a Wi-Fi card, network card rather, and if I'm going to show you what my laptop looks like now, you'll be shocked. So I'm gonna leave this here for a while. Thank you. Okay, so it looks like this. See? Just a plain old dying skeleton. It's just got a display port. If you want, you can set it up to a different monitor with this kind of head tip, whatever you want to call it, and it'll probably work. I'm assuming it'll work. Yeah. So now, this motherboard only has 4 gigabytes of memory. So I bought one from Kingston with an 8 gigabytes, like I said before, and the setup is simple. Okay, I'm not sure if you're seeing that. All you gotta do is just pop it in. Just wait. Okay, if you see those slide tabs, just lift it up and just push it. Damn it. Oops, sorry, vulgarity. Yeah, just going to push it, and it's good, and technically that works. And okay, I hope you learned something from me dissecting this laptop. Now my hands hurt. See this brown with the red? I think it might bleed anytime soon. Anyways, that's it for my new video. Hope you like it, subscribe and share. Thanks for the support, and see you.